Been watching these three things up here for about 15 minutes, and they're probably military, I'm guessing, because there's, like, the end of these little trails, they're black, like, completely black. I have no idea what they are, but they're flying in formation of some sort. They don't look like jets. They almost look like helicopters, but I don't think helicopters can fly up that high. I want to say they're military. There's a moon for comparison of size. And maybe a plane over here, if I can get a plane. There's a plane right there. So these things are pretty big. Oh yeah, those are military. Because now I can see the trails went away. And now I can see they're definitely military. There are the three little things up there.